Hey there! In this video, we'll be showing you how to make money online. We're going to give you a complete step-by-step walkthrough of all the resources that you can use so you can get started right away after watching these videos. So don't skip ahead if you want to make money online. But before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Now let's get started with the video. So today guys, I wanted to show you a niche that is absolutely exploding. And I want to show you how you can create one of these YouTube channels and make money out of it. We'll provide you with all the resources you need to get started for free. So if you come over here, there are a variety of different story type of channels that you can start to make money online. And this one over here is called Mr. Nightmare. This channel over here is absolutely blowing up in this niche in particular when it comes to telling the stories, specifically scary or horror stories. Now I'm going to show you exactly what this channel is doing to make money on YouTube and how they've set this up. So the way these guys are creating these channels, I'm going to walk you through it and show you exactly what they need to do. Number one, you need to find the story. Now if we come over here and take a look at this channel, because this channel is making anything from $2,000 to $40,000 every single month. And when you scroll, then you can see that they're making anything from a couple hundred to a few $1,000s every single month. And when you scroll down and have a look at how many millions of views they get every single month, this channel was getting about 10 million views. So what does this actually mean in dollar value? In case if you come over here and you do 10 million views and you divide that by 1,000, because YouTube pays us per 1,000 views, that's 10,000. If you do this at $2 CPM, depending on the continent, it makes about $20,000 a month that these channels are generating. That's a lot of money. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google and search for scary stories for free, because you need a story to tell. And as you can see when you come over there are all these different types of stories that you can get. It's 2,000 plus stories. All you need to do is pick one and save it. Now you have your story. We need the videos or pictures that we would use for our story. And I'm going to show you where you can get them. Then I'll show you where you can get free music to put on these videos and how you can potentially get the voiceover for these and create the video so we can upload it to YouTube. If you came over here and want to use these 30 very short stories, simply click on one of these, and this is where you're going to get different ideas that you can tweak a little bit when you create these different types of videos. Have a look at this. There's already 10 to 20 video ideas that you have here to start making money online with YouTube. Okay, the next thing you need to do is come over to a site like pexels.com. Type in Halloween. When you look at the photos, these 6,000 different photos that you can upload to make this video. Remember that this is all about Halloween. So take a look at all of the different images that you can get that would help you tell the scary short you saved earlier. All these different videos that you can use, and a lot of these videos are extremely scary. And if I play these videos, you can see that you know these are absolutely terrifying top of videos and images that people can say you could use this on your videos absolutely for free. And a lot of them don't even require any attribution required. So this is one site that you can use to get these different videos and images. What you need to do now is go to Google and simply type something like royalty-free music. Scroll down and you want to find a site where you can get a lot of this stuff that's absolutely free You're going to find a lot of that as well, okay? And a lot of this stuff is free, unique types of music that you can use, and sound effects. Except for one in particular that argues many times. This one is called Incompetech.com Rule to Free Music. So if you click on that, it will bring you over to the side over here where you can click on free items or royalty-free music, for example. So once you've clicked on royalty-free music, all you need to do is scroll that and just talking something like horror as an example, okay? Once you do that, you can find all these different sound effects. You can search for photos from top to bottom, but let's say you want to click on this one and listen to it. You can use it in your videos by downloading it as an MP3 and then uploading it to your video. When it comes to voiceover, you can use your phone to record your voice. Now's the part where we edit and add the videos and voiceover for your video. And when it comes to making these videos and putting them all together, you should go to a site like Openshot.org, where you can come out and use the software to create these videos for free. This is a video editing software you can use to make money online. And after the video is done, we would need a thumbnail for the finished video. So when you check the channel I showed you earlier, they have different types of thumbnails they use. It's basically one photo with a few words, or simply just a photo that tells what the video you created is about. You can go back to pexels.com and grab an image, or better yet, edit your thumbnail using Canva. Here in Canva, you can make all of these different thumbnails for free. All you have to do is come over here, where his creative design, scroll down the bottom and click on to customize the size, which is basically 1920 by 1080. This is the standard YouTube size, so you can make one of these different types of thumbnails by downloading these various photos and uploading them. Create your thumbnail and you'll have access to a variety of text styles that you can use to create an eye-catching thumbnail. So when you have the video and the thumbnail, all you need to do is basically add and upload them to YouTube. Keep creating lots of these types of videos, and soon enough, you will enjoy a passive income stream from the YouTube monetization program. That's all there is to it. Before we go, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. Please hit the like button and leave a comment below.